Today we're going to do a haddock dish. We're going to saute haddock in a pan with a little butter, olive oil. We're going to make an amazing sauce, cream sauce with shallots and lemon, capers. And we're going to also serve it with the side of roasted lemons. So you get the lemon flavor with a little bit of the roasted flavor. So we're doing it next. Haddock, pan-seared, cream sauce, Buzz Cooks. Stick around.
All right, let's get started on this. We're going to go with making the fancy lemons first and just get a paring knife. And you're just going to go at an angle, up and down, back and forth, just like that. Take your time. And once you get to the end, you're just going to pull it apart. And you've got perfectly crowned lemons. You'll see just like this. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to get a torch and we're going to fire it up and roast these down a little bit. If you don't have one of these torches, you can just turn your flame on your stove, use some tongs, hold it over the flame. That'll work. Just a fancy way to present, and it gives the lemons a little smoky flavor. So as a side dish, I'm going to cook up some white asparagus that I found at the grocery store. I've cut the tips off. Well, not the tips, I'm sorry, the ends off. I'm going to put a little butter on the bottom of the plate there, or the pan. Lay the asparagus across. Just like that. Then I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth. And I'll toss this in the microwave when it's time for about 6 minutes. And that'll cook those up nice. Now we're going to get started on the star of our show, which is going to be the sauce. This sauce is great for any fish, any white fish. I just happened to buy haddock. That's what they had at the store in the fresh market area. But with cod, sea bass, any white fish, this will work fantastic. This sauce is amazing. So we're going to go with a couple pads of butter, one shallot that I chopped up. We're going to season with just a little bit of white pepper. And then we'll cook these shallots down until they get a little translucent. Add a little kosher salt. Now we're going to add what little bit of cooking sherry we had. I thought I had enough, so I'll also add some chicken stock as well. Or white wine, whatever you have available. About a 1/4 cup worth. If you don't have either, just use chicken stock all the way. There we go. Now we're going to let this cook and reduce a bit. And once that's reduced down, we're going to squeeze in one whole lemon. I like to use the seedless ones. That's why I don't have to worry about seeds going into my sauce. And if you can remember to like, share, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put out a video every Wednesday and Sunday. Appreciate y'all very much. Now we're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of capers that I've rinsed. about a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And that's going to help thicken up a bit. I still have the heat on medium-low. Now let's work on our fish. I got these new made-in pans I bought. They're ceramic coated. These things are fantastic. Actually, I didn't buy them. I actually got them as a birthday gift from my best friend Joey out in LA. I was going to buy them, but he surprised me and got them for my birthday. But these things are amazing pans. I mean, you talk about non-stick. These are super duper non-stick. So if you're in the market for non-stick, forget about those coated ones. Get these ceramic ones. They're awesome. Anyways, we got pat of butter in there, some olive oil. Bring it up to heat, medium-low. And we're just going to put our haddock in there. No flour, nothing. Just set it right in there. And we're going to saute both sides for about 4 minutes. And we'll flip it on over. It's coming out nice and perfect. We don't want to season it too much. We're going to add just a little paprika to it. That's about it, because we want the sauce to be the star of the show. So like I said, we'll just add a little paprika to it. And then it's time to plate. We'll put a little sauce down. Top it off with some chives. Put down our asparagus. Serve it up. And you've got a awesome, fancy fish dinner for any dinner party, or if you want to impress your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife. This will do it. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and enjoy this dish.